We begin tonight with a Toledo kid back under the bright lights here in Northwest Ohio. Bowser alum Delonte Brown, now a freshman at Miami of Ohio, playing at Bowling Green. DiMaggio Wiggins, the Springfield alum, another Northwest Ohioan. 9-4, Bowling Green on top. Daquan Plowden, a long two. BG down 21-19. Wiggins playing well though, trying to win this battle of Northwest Ohio natives. Falcons down one. Then Wiggins passing out of a double team. Antoine Lillard with a three. BG up 26-25. Lillard had 15, but too much Miami. The Red Hawks big, 77-72. Wiggins 18 to lead all scorers. We'll have more on Delonte Brown in a moment. The Falcons are at EMU. They know they need to play better.
Lack of effort on our part. We didn't have that same focus, that same intensity that we needed on the defensive end in the first half. I thought in the second half we cleaned it up a lot more on the defensive end. We had multiple efforts from our guys, and we were able to get the stops that we needed to give ourselves a chance to get back into the game. We were down 2 at one point, and we didn't get that next stop that we needed, and missed free throws, killed us.